Ambaji is in Banaskantha district in Gujarat. Ambaji is an important temple town with millions of devotees visiting the Ambaji temple every year. It is one of the 51 Shakti Peethas. Ambaji Mata temple is a major Shakti Peeth of India. It is situated at a distance of approximately 65 kilometers from Palanpur, 50 kilometers from Kadiyadra near the Gujarat and Rajasthan border. In the holy temple of Arasuri Ambaji, there is no image or statue of goddess. The holy Sri Visayantra is worshipped as the main deity. No one can see the yantra with naked eye. The photography of the yantra is prohibited. The Arasuri Ambe Mata or Arbuda Mataji is Kuldevi of Bharat Paramaras. The One Parma state is located near the Ambaji town, that is Danta, and which also serves as capital of whole Parmar clan. The original seat of Ambaji Mata is on Gabbar hilltop in the town. A large number of devotees visit the temple every year, especially on Purnima days. A large mela on Badarvi Purnima is held. Every year from all over the country, people come here walking all over from their native place just to worship Ma Ambe in September. The whole Ambaji town is lit up as the nation celebrates the festive time of Diwali. The shrine of Sri Amba is regarded as a revered shrine by the Shaktism sect of Hinduism. It is believed that the heart of Sati Devi has fallen here. The origin of the Shakti Peetha status temple is from the mythology of Daksha Yaga and Sati's self-immolation. Shakti Peethas were believed to have been formed when the body parts of the corpse of Sati Devi fell into different regions when Lord Shiva carried her corpse in sorrow after her death. The shrines are considered as highly revered by Shaivist sect in Hinduism. The Shakti Peethas are mostly worshipped by Tantra practitioners. Ambaji is one of the 51 ancient Shakti Peethas Tirth in India. There are 12 main Shakti Peeth Tirth, significant places of pilgrimage for the worship of Shakti, namely Ma Bhagavati Mahakali Mahashakti at Ujjain, Ma Kamakshi at Kanchipuram, Mata Brahmaramba at Sri Shailam, Sri Kumarika at Kanyakumari, Mata Ambaji at Anar, Gujarat, Mata Mahalakshmi Devi at Kolhapur, Devi Lalita at Prayag, Vindhyavasini at Vindhya, Vishalakshi at Varanasi, Mangalavati at Gaya and Sundari at Bengal, and Guheshwari temple in Nepal. There is no idol or picture in the temple, but a simple cave-like gok in the inner wall, in which a gold-plated holy Shakti Visa, Sri Yantra, having Kurma back convex shape and 51 bij letters therein, connected with that of the original yantras of Nepal and Ujjain Shakti Peethas, is also ritually installed in such a way that it can be visible for devotion, but never photographed in past, nor can be so done in future. The worship of this Visa Sri Yantra is done only after tying a bandage on the eyes. Sri Arasuri Ambaji Mata Devasthan Trust has developed a parikrama way circulating the Gabbar hill. The 51 Shakti Peeth temples are constructed on this parikrama mark. The temples are made as same as they are at their original locations. One can darshan all 51 Shakti Peeth by doing parikrama of Gabbar hill. Jai Mata Di.